This 2018 Jayco J Feather 29QB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 14, leveling jacks, TV antenna, air conditioning, slide-out, self-contained, skylight, microwave, water heater, smoke detector, refrigerator, and 48 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Jayco J Feather 29QB is 6,215 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.